I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership and connectivity. Sign into Google's Find My Device with the same account registered on the locked phone. Once done, make sure the device is powered and online, because remote actions require a live connection. If you can't see the device, confirm IMEI or serial in your account details and enable location from any synced device. These first steps prevent unnecessary resets and keep your options open. You're establishing identity and a communication channel before attempting unlock actions. You now perform the unlock actions in Find My Device. Choose the target device and assess available options. If a temporary lock code is offered, use it. Otherwise, try the Secure Lock feature to set a new temporary password remotely. Only proceed to erase device when you accept data loss, because wiping removes the lock but also your files. If the phone is offline, wait for reconnection or start Google account recovery. Manufacturer remote support can assist when account controls are insufficient. Finish by completing the phone setup. Sign into the same Google account and restore your backup so apps, settings, and contacts return. Make sure to re-enable a secure lock method and two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts, and verify Find My Device remains active. If things go wrong, device stays offline or 2FA blocks access, use Google Account Recovery or wait for network reappearance. As a last resort, contact the device manufacturer with proof of ownership for assisted unlock. This preserves security and restores access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.